This is a video about us making beef and stout, an excellent stew, and we used our heated blender with a computer built inside. They call it Thermo. We're using grass-fed, grass-finished beef from Basstrop Cattle Company. I left a lot of the fat marbled in because it's grass-fed, grass-finished. It's going to melt off and become even more tender. And this recipe needs 800 grams. I cut way too much. So we only have to quarter the onions and throw them in, and the Thermo chops them up just right. And after it's done chopping it up, then we saute it, and then we add the meat.
Saute. You cut up. See if it, ooh, heavy.
Yeah.
The bowl is heavy too.
Yeah.
There's one thing my husband does good is wrap up meat.
Yep.
He's an expert at that.
Wrap it up.
Oh, you're good at that. Let's see how much we have here. If it's the 800 grams or not. Well,
I think it's more than 800 grams.
uh-oh. So we have to adjust it.
Or we can just make extra meat.
Yeah, but the sauce, honey.
That's true. Well, if we have too much, save it, and I'll make a stew with it or something.
We're definitely gonna have a lot left.
Okay.
Look.
Wait it out. All right, just wrap it back up and we'll save it. Or I'll wrap it back up.
Okay. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick.
You want me to hit next?
You can.
300 grams of plain flour. Now we're adding the flour to the meat.
Yes. A little bit more. There we go.
Added the meat to the mixing bowl with the onions already in there.
Sauteed.
Then we're gonna add
Salt and pepper.
Yep.
Now we're adding your favorite. Not.
Yes.
I know you don't like it.
Yeah, it's okay. I'll live.
415 grams of Guinness. Today my scale is super finicky. It's the weather. Oh, you better bring me more beer. Or maybe not. Look.
Oh, wow. So it's basically a can, a pint.
Yeah.
Cool.
Garden.
Rosemary.
Little bit of rosemary. I don't like too much rosemary in my...
I know.
And now we're going to let this baby cook for an hour. "60 minutes.
Reverse. The blade is going to spin backwards so that the flat edge just stirs everything up and doesn't chop everything up. That way the meat stays intact. The meat and Guinness and onions are almost done.
Yep. So now we have to add 250 grams of carrots and 250 grams of parsnip. I need a little plate. It's hot. to set this on. It's looking good.
Oh yeah.
So totaling 500 grams.
Yep.
We don't want it to splash around
No.
so much, so. We're almost on max level.
Sucker's full. Yeah.
Now we want to take it off. I stir it in really good. It smells delicious. Okay, set the pot back on. And now we're going for another 30 minutes.
Yep. It's all done.
The smell is delicious. It's divine. Wonderful.
Yep.
Beef and stout. Nope, you will need the spatula for that.